I'll put some fire down for you if you want to push up. Go, go! I'm putting fire down for you. Go! Come on, blue team, let's go, let's go! Yeah, go straight ahead there, Dave, push up. Watch your hood on the left, D. Got a hit?
On both sides.
Hit! Shit. Do you want to push up? Tell me when you want to push up, I'll give you cover fire, okay? 3, 2, 1. Go! Hit!
So we're both dead then?
Did you not see me taking out the two guys from behind there, no?
I thought you were one of those people. I came up to rush.
Oh, shite.
We're both dead then.
Yeah. Come on, let's respawn and get back in. Hit! It's alright.
Oh shit! That was my last life. Dead man.
Oh, fuck it, I'm dead too. Dead man! Bollocks! Bollocks! Dead man! Fuck! That was